I don't know who this is for.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Grundy County in Northeast Illinois, West Central County in Northeast Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m.
No, it's not for us.
At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mazan and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, developing tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shanahan, Coal City, Diamond, Elwood, and Carbon Hill. Other locations impacted: Shanahan State Park, Interstate 80 between mile markers 127 and 129. Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 249. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. The following is a